Hello everyone, myself Amit Kumar Mane, founder Global Pharma Academy. Today we are going to discuss all about how to find a targeted country for the export. So this is the third video of our export series. So basically export series is made for all of the people who want to start the export business as a beginner. So in this video we will going to share all the tips which will be help you to target a selected to find the targeted country, because there are a lot of countries all over the world. So which country is better to start the business with, and as a beginner which things you have to keep in mind. So everything we will discuss in this video. But if you want to know everything about the pharmaceutical export business from the basics as a beginner, how to start, how to grow, the documentation, everything, so you can join our digital course on the pharmaceutical export. There are all details given in the description. So there are a lot of products which we can export, such as medical devices, such as pharmaceuticals products like generics, then APIs there, biosimilar products are there, vaccines are there, nutraceuticals are there, herbal products are there. So there are different categories for which category is most demanded and in which country. You will get the all data. Some paid data is also available, some free data is also available, because you need to check the active data which is actually authentic or not. Okay, from the paid sources most of the chances are the data is authentic. Okay, so you can also get help from the Pharmaceuticals, which is the advisory body of the government of India for the export. Also, if you do any experience in any export firm which is exporting to the different countries, okay, whether it is medium scale or small scale, okay, then you will understood the operations behind this. This is the first tip, okay, the trade data and get an experience. The second tip will be very important, which is all about the networking. So if you have the network, then only you can do this business. Otherwise, if you don't have network, lot of data segregation is there, and then you can study, and then you need a mentorship at least for this. Because see, if you have any connection with the person who is doing the export, not only in the pharmaceutical but in the others like agricultures, like jewelries, or any handicraft products, or any kind of electronics, okay, so but the thing is they will tell you how the export is, what kind of the mistakes they do that you don't have to do. Okay, and even sometimes what happen, they are in connection with some of the buyers from different countries, they also need pharmaceutical products. So in mutual connection you will get that opportunity also. So networking, building the network is equally important. So this is the second tip, so that you can get the targeted country. The next thing is all about the regulations. So see, in the pharmaceutical industry there are a lot of regulations, such as quality regulations, safety regulation, packaging regulation, labeling regulations, storage regulations. Everything is defined as per the products. So you need to know that regulations, and accordingly you can proceed. Okay, then the next one is investment. How much investment you can do for your export business, because some countries have a lot of regulation, registration process, and it is somewhat costly. So if you are able to bear this, then only you can go for that country. Otherwise you can prefer other countries which has less regulations. Okay, so this is the another tip. Then one more is you need to know the culture of the particular country. So let us see, one country is completely based on one of the region, okay, means one of the religion. So if that country is commonly one religion is present there, you need to understand their behavior, their purchase capacity, their thinking about any purchasing any product, and the deal about this means whatever the associated products are available in this country, you need to know how the pricing is, how the look is, and like how the people are thinking about the product, like what things are there in mind. Because in India we are thinking first the price, right, then we check the company, okay, and then we check the guarantee or the durability. So likewise, if every country has its own different parameters to purchase the product, you need to know these things, and then only you can go for the targeted country. For that reason, I must say you can visit that particular country. That will be more beneficial. Your directly visualized experience will be more better than just reading anywhere. Then the next one is all about the payment terms. So payment term is sometimes it is a risky, but see, if you find the buyer and if you do the payment, okay, for any particular documentation, and then finally you found that this buyer is not authentic, so your all investment will be like it is completely vested. So first of all you need to check the buyer, and second then you can find the payment terms. Even then it is letter of credit, but the thing is whether there is an authentic bank which where you can able to type with those countries, and you can do LC as well. So the safety payment concern is very important at that stage. So if you are like working for the other country which are underdeveloping, make sure that the payment terms are safe, because many countries are looking easy, that there are the product requirement are there, but the payment terms is not easy. Then even though you are doing the export, you are not getting any amount from the buyer itself. And this is how you can able, you will be fail in that case. So that is why you can check the safe payment term as well. And last tip is all about the documentation. So the first documentation is all about the custom documentation, that is bill of lading, airway bills, okay, and the related documentation, pro forma invoice, commercial invoice. So according to the regulations requirement you have to make it. And then logistics. So like the role of the CHA is very important, customization. So if you are not making any particular document which is required in that country, so maybe that you will get a penalty, or your even the delivery will be delayed, and for that reason you will become in the much loss. So let us say the penalty is completely 2x of the amount which is the normal amount. So if the products is like perishable, or somewhat the products needs a storage, so you will get high penalty in that case as well. So avoid these changes, and you need to learn this, and then you can target the country. So basically from these all tips you can understood which is the targeted country. Even though most of the time what happen that the firstly you select one particular country, but after looking all the parameters, might be your destination will be changed, because as per the study you are finding the destination which is more relevant. So that is why keep things very seriously before starting the export. Keep the things like you need to know the export, and you need to understand it. If you are guided by someone else which is mentor and which has an experience also, that will be more feasible with you. Okay, so this is how all about the how to select the target country for the pharmaceutical export as a beginner. So if you want to know more about it, definitely you can join our digital course on pharmaceutical export. The all details given in the description, or for more details call to this number, or fill the Google form given in the description. We will connect with you and solve your queries. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you understood this video, and this video will definitely bring more insight about the pharmaceutical export. So if you like the content, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel which provides various information about export business. But apart from that, the industry information about the pharmaceutical, the certification courses for the student. And of course, don't forget to share this video to your friends and colleagues. Thank you for watching this video. Happy learning.